Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of artificial intelligence, exploring a concept that has been capturing minds and imaginations: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Have you ever wondered what it truly means when we talk about AI becoming as smart as humans or even surpassing us? Well, buckle up, because we're about to break down the complexities and mysteries surrounding AGI in a way that's easy to understand, regardless of whether you're an AI enthusiast or a curious beginner. AGI concept. You see, AGI, short for Artificial General Intelligence, can seem like a daunting notion with all its technical jargon and scientific intricacies. But here's the exciting part: you don't need a PhD in computer science to grasp the concept. Imagine creating software or machines that can perform any task a human can, from solving problems to adapting to new situations. AGI represents the pinnacle of AI, going beyond narrow applications to encompass a wide range of tasks. Development goals. So, what's the ultimate goal of AGI? Well, it's about developing software that mirrors human cognitive abilities across various tasks, enabling the system to tackle unfamiliar challenges and come up with solutions. But here's the twist: experts from different fields define AGI slightly differently. Computer scientists emphasize goal achievement, while psychologists stress adaptability and survival. Difference from narrow AI. AGI stands in stark contrast to weak or narrow AI, which focuses solely on specific tasks. While true AGI systems are currently confined to the pages of science fiction, they hold the potential for abstract thinking, common sense reasoning, knowledge transfer, and cause and effect understanding. These capabilities open up a universe of possibilities across countless industries. Potential applications. Picture this: AGI with the ability to perform tasks that humans can, and even go beyond our limitations. It could revolutionize industries like healthcare, finance, education, space exploration, and even the military. For instance, in healthcare, AGI could assist with diagnoses and treatments, potentially revolutionizing the field. In finance, it could automate complex tasks like market analysis and risk management. And in education, AGI could transform learning by offering personalized, adaptive experiences. Challenges. But reaching AGI is no stroll in the park. We face significant obstacles. Hardware limitations demand massive computational power, and data diversity is essential for AGI's well-rounded understanding. Overcoming these hurdles requires breakthroughs in hardware technology and the expansion of culturally diverse training data. Nearness to AGI. So, how close are we to AGI? Well, while it might not be an overnight feat, AGI is gradually becoming a reality. Predicting the exact timeline is tricky, with experts speculating anywhere from a few years to several decades. The pace depends on continued breakthroughs and investment. Benefits and risks. As AGI comes closer to fruition, we must consider its impact. On one hand, it could revolutionize industries, solve global problems, and pave the way for remarkable advancements. On the other hand, there are concerns about the risks associated with highly advanced AI systems, particularly the concept of singularity, where AI surpasses human intelligence. To conclude, AGI is a frontier we're approaching with both anticipation and caution. While its potential is vast, its ethical implications and responsible development are equally crucial. The balance between advancement and regulation will shape the outcome, and it's up to us to navigate this path wisely. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things AI. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world of technology with us. Thanks for joining us, and remember, the journey to AGI might be complex, but together we can unravel its mysteries. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next video.